The Ebola epidemic in West Africa has killed more than 11,000 people since it was reported early last year, and it has caused untold grief and suffering. But today, a hopeful note in one of the hardest hit countries. Alana Cole reports.
We are free again for Ebola.
A moment to celebrate, but also a moment to remember those lost. In Freetown, thousands of people gathered for a candlelight vigil as the World Health Organization announced Sierra Leone is now free of the Ebola virus. The news comes after the country went 42 days without any new cases. Still, it's been a difficult and painful battle. Since Sierra Leone recorded its first Ebola case in May 2014, the WHO estimates close to 4,000 people died. In that country alone, nearly 9,000 were infected. But challenges remain.
I'm sorry.
And survivors are still facing health issues, including joint pain and problems with vision.
I got sharp pains. At times, early in the morning, I got those pains. Then this is my eye. Right now, I've started, it just seems like it's a dew on my eyes.
The WHO estimates 4,000 survivors are in need of ongoing medical care and social support. Stigma is still a problem. Canadian physician Tim Jagatic worked at an Ebola treatment center in Sierra Leone in July 2014.
There were times when we were actually seeing up to 20 patients being brought to us at a time in one ambulance.
He calls today's announcement a milestone, but he emphasizes there's still a need for vigilance. Liberia has also been declared free of Ebola, but in Guinea, there have been new cases.
We have to make sure that we have our surveillance systems up and ready and that we'd be able to respond appropriately.
Jagatic says experts are trying to learn more about the virus. In the meantime, in Sierra Leone, a 90-day monitoring period has begun to ensure any new cases are recognized quickly. And while this country's recovery from the deadly virus remains a challenge, for many, today brings hope. Alana Cole, CBC News, Winnipeg.
Scottish nurse Pauline Cafferkey contracted Ebola in Sierra Leone last December and survived, but the virus re-emerged as meningitis just last month, and now she's back in hospital in London. Doctors say her condition has improved.
I'm the leading state sponsor of terrorism.